Alright everyone, today we're going to examine the Rlaarlo Omni Terminator. After installing the speed pinion that comes pre-installed in the box, we kick things off by engaging in some enjoyable smooth cinematic shots. Then take our excitement up a notch by indulging in wild burnouts, mind-blowing spins, and a touch of playful fun before diving headfirst into the exhilarating speed runs.
And even when the years roll by, the feeling never says goodbye. Kid inside you calling me, come back to where you're meant to be. Now I'm back to being a kid, living the dream I never did. Run a speed test, feeling that rush, adrenaline hitting like a lightning touch. Kids are grown-ups, doesn't matter who. If you feel that spark, it's inside you too. Every run trying to make my dad proud. Low budget days taught me how to believe. Now I'm giving that joy to the world for free. I see kids' eyes light up like mine. Parents laughing, saying one more time. Family is together, chasing the thrill. That's the dream. Still, I'm new to YouTube, but I'm here to learn from the pros with the skills and the miles they burn. Humbled every day by the things they know. Ready to grow, ready to show. Now we're back to being kids, living the dream we always had. Running speed test, feeling that rush, adrenaline hitting like a lightning touch. Kids are grown-ups, doesn't matter who. If you feel that spark, it's inside you too. We're building a movement, come ride with me on at Thecondor. Let's bring the joy back. Let's bring the fun back. Let's bring the families out to the track. It doesn't matter if you're new or if you've been here for years. We all feel the same when the throttle clears. It's more than a hobby. It's a place to belong. A community heartbeat. For the families, for the ones who never stop believing. Let's keep rolling. Yeah. Dancing with my wheels. Now we're wheeling and smiling at the Thecondor, so let's ride. Saturday morning, sun hits the ground, charging up the packs, hear that humming sound. Kids running out, dad, let's go again. Family in the driveway, ready for the spin. We line up the cars, colors shining bright. Throttle in my hand, everything feels right. From the backyard to the parking lot lanes. Every little moment runs joy through my veins. I do it 'cause I'm happy. It makes me feel complete. Racing with my family.
Everything was working fantastically until I discovered a problem with the shock's recoils. They were simply not responding, so I promptly wrapped up the test and concluded the video right there. In the next video, we'll tackle the issue and ensure that we'll push this fantastic.
This
Machine even harder to see what's at the end of its potential. I am actually happy with the result. I got 3 more miles per hour, and I am sure once the shocks issue is addressed, it will be a couple of miles better.
Every single penny, go ahead and get it. I really love it. Enjoy it. The speed pinion change is fairly easy. It is just excellent. Thank you for watching.
Cause I'm happy. It lifts me when I'm down.